Grew up idolizing all the dope boys and cocaine, all the boys who ran the streets, and I wanted to make a name. Started growing marijuana like a farmer. All the street success I saw was driving me fucking insane. I wanted more, I wanted everything. Pride and envy killed me and drugs killed my brain. Ended up in jail after a series of events that if they happened to you would probably cause you to change. What you're about to hear's a true story, and I know that right now you think that I'm about to say it gave their life up, but that'd be a mistake. See, that's the exact point that I'm trying to make. My life was a choice, but my choice is also my fate. I used to go hard, but now I go harder. I used to reach far, but now I reach farther. I used to plan smart, but now I plan smarter. I used to bust up, but now I run charter. That's why we call it the trap, cause once you're in it, you're stuck. That's why every rapper screaming out that they just don't give a fuck. Cause we know the truth and we know it's real, that's when I gonna start retiring. I've been stabbed in the back and I've done the stabbing. Bitch, I'm out here grinding, so switch it up, switch it up. If shit ain't working, then you switch it up, switch it up. You can't be weak, you gotta switch it up, switch it up. Cause if you don't, they gonna lock you up, lock you up. Man, I'm saying you gotta switch it up, switch it up. If shit ain't working, then you switch it up, switch it up. You can't be weak, you gotta switch it up, switch it up. Cause if you don't, they gonna lock you up, lock you up. Man, I'm saying you gotta
switch it up is what they're telling me, cause they think I'm just the same as these actors wearing their masks. But I'm driving in my own lane. You can try to influence it, but these things will never change. If you're looking to have your mind blown, then continue standing in the range. I do what I like because I like what I do. You wouldn't want things to switch up once you stepped inside my shoes. Unless you're in the shoes of my past, then you wouldn't want things to last. Every moment you would just want life to stop riding your ass, but things switched up. And now life is on my side. I used to see darkness behind closed eyes, but now I see a future that's bright. Why do you think I wear these shades? Not just so I can't see the hate, but so you can't see my red eyes from all the times I medicate. And I'm using marijuana to heal all of my sickness. I'm now a smoker and a drinker thanks to all of these bitches, but it's okay. I like walking around and not giving a fuck, and it's all thanks to this life deciding to switch itself up. So let it go and switch it up. Allow your life to change and do not give a single fuck. You can't be hurt if you just let it go and switch it up. So being optimistic as if you were a transfer truck. Just letting you know that you should let it go and switch it up. Allow your life to change and do not give a single fuck. You can't be hurt if you just let it go and switch it up. So being optimistic as if you were a transfer truck. Just letting you know.